definitely would like to be Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger doesn't dance. Why did I do that?
That's good.
I don't want to be a girl, Freddy Krueger. I want to be Freddy Krueger. Freddy. Okay. Let me see. I don't want a woman one. Why everybody wants me to be the female version of Freddy? I just want to be Freddy. I couldn't stay in this mask. I'm claustrophobic. I couldn't even do it. All right, maybe I will be female Freddy. They got nails.
There's a mask.
Huh?
Could just did your makeup.
I'm gonna do my makeup. I'll probably do like, if I do Freddy, I can just have Paisley paint my face like she did when I was showing up. Yeah. Okay. Yes, PJ.
You
wanna go back that way? Okay. Let's go explore some more. Good morning. So I'm gonna make some pancakes for my son. I'm gonna use oats. I try not to use pancake like flour, right? Often, because pancakes. He doesn't like oatmeal, so this is a way for him to eat oats. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in a blender. Okay, there we go. Let me see how much I put. Alright, and then I'm gonna blend them so it becomes a flour, oat flour. That's how you get oat flour if you don't have oat flour, okay? There you go. That's oat flour. There you go, oat flour. So I'm gonna add some baking powder to this, a little bit of salt, and a banana. You know what? No. You know what? I have pumpkin. I'm gonna add a little bit of pumpkin to this. I forgot I had a can of pumpkin. Yeah, let's try that. Actually, I've never tried it before, but I thought about it. Like, you know what? I'm gonna use the pumpkin butter on top instead of syrup or honey. He usually likes honey on his pancakes, so I'm gonna try that. Well, I'm gonna have him try the pumpkin butter I got from Trader Joe's. It looks loose, but oats tend to soak up the liquid. So once you sit it for a while, it's going to thicken up a little bit. You don't want it too thick. And I put the apple cider vinegar in because I'm not using eggs, and that'll help fluff up the pancake because it'll activate with the baking soda. I usually like to use baking powder, but again, I didn't have any, so I just used about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is stronger than baking powder because baking powder is a mix between cornstarch and baking soda. If you put too much baking soda, you're gonna taste that baking soda taste. You know, that unpleasant flavor. Yeah. I don't have vanilla. I would like to put vanilla, but I don't have it. I added the pumpkin and... Okay, so we're just gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes because I may have to add more liquid. But right now, the consistency is exactly where I want it to be. It's gonna thicken up a bit. Now we're gonna preheat our pan. I like to use a cast iron for my pancakes. Alright, so I preheated the pan. I used some coconut oil in it, and I'm just gonna scoop up my pancakes.
Yes.
Yes. You ready for these pancakes, huh?
Yeah, these look good.
They look good?
Yes, I still want it.
So, like I told you, the batter gets a little thick because the oats soaks the liquid. So I just added a little bit more water. Just a little bit of water to loosen it up. Now it'll be thick. And these cook a little bit longer. These take a little longer to cook than regular pancakes. But yeah, just add a little bit of water if you see your batter's getting thick. So.
Hi.
How are the pancakes, BJ?
Good.
Hey,
They're fire.
Fire. You're so silly. You want more?
Huh?
Do you want more?
Yeah.
So I have this half an apple from yesterday. Oh, you want to try the pancake?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 1 second. So I'm going to cut up, I made a few more pancakes for my son. Now I'm going to just cut up this half apple I have from yesterday. Cut up some walnuts, add it to the pancake. For me, I'm adding extra fiber with the apple and then healthy fats with the walnuts. And oatmeal has about 6 grams of protein per half cup, so it's a little bit of protein. So that's protein, fiber, healthy fats, a little bit of healthy carbs. I'm good to go. So I'm going to cut this apple up real quick and then add it to the pancake. My son can't have apples. I don't know. I mean, I can't have fresh apples. You know what? Let me try this. Sometimes I can have them. Sometimes I can't. Sometimes I'll be pushing it. When I go apple picking, I'll eat the apples, and sometimes I'm okay, sometimes I'm not. As long as they're cooked, I'm good, but I don't know. But it has nothing to do with them being organic or not, because I've tried it. These are not giving me any type of reaction right now. But if I eat enough, I might. So I'm not gonna. This is so good fresh. Oh my goodness. When you can't have something as simple as an apple because it gives you an allergic reaction, like my mouth will start itching or my lips will start itching. And I used to be able to eat them. I think when I turned 21, that's when I kind of became allergic to them. Unfortunately, we make these a little smaller. And you don't ever realize how much you miss eating apples, like fresh apples. The crunch, the juiciness of it. I don't know, I guess you take advantage of the fact that you are not allergic to anything like an apple until you become allergic to apples. Don't know why it developed, but it did. Like cherries. I'm able to eat cherries as long as they come off my neighbor's cherry tree. I even tried to buy cherries from the supermarket that were organic, still had a reaction, but my neighbor's cherry trees. And actually, I went walking over the summer, and the cherry tree in front of the middle school, someone was picking them and eating them, and they gave them to me. and my mom and sister and PJ, and they were completely fine. So that goes to show you they messing with our foods. Cause if I could have a cherry tree, I would. And let me rephrase that. If I was willing to plant a cherry tree, I would. But I have so many trees in my backyard, like I don't even know where I would put the cherry tree. But I have my neighbors, so I'll rely on hers. Okay, that's that. I'm just rambling. Couple of walnuts. I love walnuts. Again, walnuts is something that I have to tread lightly with, unless they're cooked. Sometimes I don't know what it is. Sometimes my body is okay with them raw. Sometimes it's not. It's a headache, but you know, it could be worse. Okay. I love walnuts that have been cooked anyway. Roasted, toasted. Okay. Took off the fires because it was scorching hot. Okay. So these I'm just gonna add. Oh gosh, Mr. Beast. These look more like apple fritters, right? I guess they could kind of be apple fritters. Yeah, you ready to just start doing schoolwork?
No.
I know you're not, but we have to. Don't you want to go to the park?
What part?
Which park do you want to go to? I'm just gonna eat one. These are the ones without the apple. My son, I made more than this, but he ate them all. And he actually wants another one. And then I have these. We're gonna add this pumpkin butter because that's gonna make it 10 times better. Let me sit you up closer so you can see. I'm not gonna put too more. That's enough, huh? Let's see. I'm not gonna be a savage. I'm cutting it like a savage, but whatever. You guys get the point. This is not a cooking channel. Yes, I show you how to cook a few things, but let me get a fork. Okay. Look at that. See the apples? Taste it. That is so good. Oh my goodness. All right, I think I'm gonna eat more pancakes. What are you waiting for? Your other pancake? Huh?
Why do I do it with apples?
I like your apples better.
How do I get with apples?
I know you can't eat apples. So you want another pancake? That's what you're swarming around me for another pancake, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Cut your plate. The plate's right here. After this, we gotta do schoolwork, okay?
Okay.
All right. This pumpkin butter is so good on top of this. Oh my gosh. And it's good for you because it's oats, apples, walnuts if you add that, a little bit of pumpkin. It's not much sugar at all. This is the most sugar that's going to be in it, whatever's in here. And I didn't use too much on top. So this pumpkin butter has pumpkin, sugar, honey, lemon juice, concentrate, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and nutmeg. In case you've never had it, it's This takes it to the top. That is good. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna finish these up and start our day.
Can I talk for a minute? Can I talk for a minute?
Yeah, come. You wanna talk?
Also subscribe to DD's channel too.
So, Dee is my sister, and she has a channel. He doesn't care about my channel. He just wants you to subscribe to her channel. So I'm going to link her channel down below. It's The Daily Special. It's on YouTube. She's gotten her plaque. I'm so proud of her. We're proud of her.
Oh, yeah.
Anything else?
Subscribe to Mommy too.
Okay, thank you, BJ. Oh, my goodness. That's fine. Family helps family, right? Go ahead. Can you turn it off for me?
Yeah. Which button?
The red button.
The circle.